Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to create like a YouTube intro for your videos, your vlogs, and many more. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, you will need Canva. Yeah, open your Canva, type on the search bar YouTube intro for vlog. If it's for vlog, for your cooking channel, your gaming stuff, your whatever you specialize on YouTube. So for the sake of this tutorial, we're just going to use vlog. So after clicking that, many options on or templates on vlogs will come out. You're just going to choose the free one. If you are not using the paid Canva, you choose the video. Like you see the one that there is pro, you need to pay before you access that. So the one that there is no pro on it, you're just gonna select, just go through it. There are so many free templates there. Just choose the one that's free. Yeah, so for the sake of this tutorial, we're just gonna scroll through. I'm just scrolling through so you see that there are many options for you to use. We are just gonna use this. I'm coming, I'll click it for you. I'm just trying to wait for you guys to like see what I'm doing. We're just gonna click on this one that has this welcome on it and this. Yeah, so I have network issues, so you're just gonna bear with me. The video is gonna be a bit long because of the network in my house. Network is so bad. So now it has clicked, so let's edit the video, the template. So you see there's a picture of another person, a lady, and there's a her name at the side. So we are just going to change that. So first, let's start with the picture. You click on the picture, then you click on replace. Then just scroll through your gallery and pick the picture you want to use. So we'll be picking this picture for the sake of this tutorial. So yeah, when you click on that, network again, it should just click immediately, but network. But anyway, let's go. After clicking on that, you click on crop, to like expand it a bit to fit like the cycle. Like we want the picture to like show a little more, prominent and all that. Yeah. So after clicking on that, we are done with. There are so many slides in this video. So to the next slide, you are just gonna repeat the same step. But you could change the picture. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm gonna be using just one picture. Yeah, you could use any other picture for the next slide, for the next slide, and that yada. So after that, you're just gonna expand it too. But for this cycle, you notice that it's a bit smaller than the first one. Yeah, so just expand it a bit. Then you go to the next slide. You repeat the same process for the picture. You click replace. You click on the picture. You click crop. You expand a little bit. Sorry about that. Expand a little bit, and yeah, that's all for that. But for this slide, it has a name on it, so we are just going to change it to your name or to your channel name. You get, just change the name. You click on the name, you click it again, there's 2 times, then it pops up like this. Then you like delete the name, insert your name, insert it one by one, like letter after letter. If you like insert it and the full name pops up on your like this, it's not gonna show. So you have to insert it letter by letter to have completed like your channel name or your name. So that's all for that. You go to the next slide, you repeat the same thing for the picture and for the for the name. You do that again. Click the crop icon, your button or bar. Increase it a bit or expand it a bit to like a prominent. You don't want it too far. People won't see the picture you're trying to display. So to the next step, you could actually change the color of the font used, the color of the letter or the whatever used. You could change the font, the colors, and all that. I'm just showing you how to just click on font. You could change the font, click on colors, change the color of the font, click on the name, change the color of your name there. I'm just playing it for you to see. Then what I did next was that I went ahead to like change the background. Like this white is making the name a little bit, it's making the name not visible. So I actually changed the background the white, I changed the color of the background there, so that the name could be at least visible. So you just have to click on the background, click on color, then choose any color of your choice. Just play with the colors till you find one that suits your taste or your channel. Anyone, just choose your favorite color. Yeah, that's just it. Just play with colors. There's so many colors for you to play with. You could mix it up, Yeah, choose it. And you could use a different color for each slide. You get, like, each slide, you could use a different color. So I went to the next slide. I changed the color to a different one because I wanted to, like, play with colors. You get, I just watching how it, turned out. The gray turned out, but I love the gray. So I actually changed the slide before the slide before the last slide. I changed the color too. I wanted something different from the gray, so I used a different color for the slide. For this slide, just played with the colors. I selected one. Yeah, I was fine with it. Then for the other slide, I picked it. Click on color. Went down. I like search deep this time for color. Like, I wanted something unique, and I found this color that's multicolored. Like, I love this color so much, so I just used it for that slide. Yeah, I used it for that slide. So, and yeah, and it turned out so nice. Then for the first slide, I actually wanted that same color because I was just so in love with the color. So I used that same color for the first slide too. Then I went over to play the video to see what I have done. You just have to, like, play in it to avoid mistake. When you do something, like, rewatch it so that if there is anything to adjust, you could just adjust it easily. You get. And here you could change the lines. The line here is white. You could actually change the line. You could actually change the letter, like the names, the color of the alphabet, like your name there. You could change the color, but I just left it like that because it's okay like that. So you just click on save settings, and don't close your app. It will take like a minute to, like, save. Just have a stable network, to do this. When it's done creating it, it's just gonna download. Then you're just gonna save video on your phone if you're using iPhone. That just cancel this, and your video is saved in your gallery for you to use anytime. Guys, please click on the subscribe button and like this video, share and comment. Bye.